Look at a day in the life of a business analyst through a small story. So meet Angela, who is working as a business analyst in an application development firm. Her firm builds applications for clients depending on their requirements. Our next character is Rob. He is a budding entrepreneur with a vision of setting up his own e-commerce app. He plans on selling several electronic gadgets like phones, laptops, cameras, etc. on his app. So what is Rob's first step? Well, he approaches Angela's firm one day with the vision of creating his e-commerce app. Angela and Rob start talking business, and Angela promises to help Rob with his app creation. She assures him that she will look into his business requirements and coordinate with him to get the app running. Rob is happy about it and agrees to cooperate with Angela regarding all the business requirements from his end. Angela, as we know, is the business analyst. She starts planning Rob's project, and without any delay, she embarks on this project's journey. She has a set of planned steps that will help her fulfill Rob's requirements. But what are the steps she takes? Is her approach going to be effective and quick? Let's find out the answers to these questions now. Up next, you can learn about Angela's approach that helps her deliver Rob's project smoothly and without any hassles. These steps that we are going to look at are the typical roles and responsibilities of a business analyst. Here, we will understand these roles better with respect to Angela's and Rob's story. First and foremost, Angela understands Rob's business objectives, problems, and requirements. Without understanding this, do you think Angela will be able to proceed? No. Hence, a business analyst like Angela understands the problems related to Rob's business and comes up with the right solution to achieve the goals of the business. She brainstorms around what is best suited for an e-commerce app focusing on electronic gadgets. In the next step, Angela gathers all the necessary requirements. Here, she understands Rob's requirements and makes sure that they are on the same page regarding the project and its goals. Both of them together arrive at a stipulated deadline for the project completion. She gathers relevant information based on security of the app, the payment setup based to login, cost of the products, and style, to name a few. Once Angela has an in-depth understanding of Rob's project and gathers all the necessary requirements, she starts allocating resources by keeping in mind the budget of the project. Here, she recognizes and allocates tasks and resources to the development team. BAs work closely with the development team to design the solution for a problem. Angela ensures that the development team doesn't spend their time understanding Rob's requirements. In this step, along with the development team, she finalizes the software and tools required to build the project. Angela doesn't rest until the project is delivered to Rob. She continuously monitors the progress and constantly provides her feedback to the development team with respect to the app's layout, design, and other features. She gives them suggestions in order to improve the application. In the next step, Angela collects feedback of the prototype version of the app from the users. She notes down if the prototype is fine or if it requires more work. BAs validate if the project is running fine with the help of user acceptance testing. They verify if the solution being worked on is in line with the requirements and ensure that the final product satisfies the user expectations. BAs also assess the functional and non-functional requirements. After collecting feedback, Angela moves to one of her most crucial duties, and that is building reports. Data visualization is a key skill for any BA. In order to gauge the performance of the app and get valuable insights from it, Angela builds reports using various data visualization tools like Tableau, Power BI, and ClickView. Reports can be general reports such as detailed reports, or it can be dashboard reports such as visualized reports with multi-dimensional analysis based on display of business indicators. It is not uncommon for issues to crop up amidst this entire process. Hence, Angela conducts regular meetings with the development team and Rob to solve problems quickly. Having these meetings will help Rob understand the status of the project, and it will also help the teams proceed in the right path. Throughout this project phase, Angela makes sure to maintain transparency. On completion of the project, Angela documents and presents the project findings to Rob. Generally, business analysts present the project outcomes to the stakeholders and clients along with maintenance reports. Angela notes down all the project learnings and details in a concise manner. This will help her take better decisions in the future, and these documents will save her time while implementing the next project. Now that she has completed all her duties and responsibilities with respect to Rob's project, she is ready to deliver the final e-commerce application to Rob for use. Rob is rest assured that the application developed by Angela's firm is apt for his business and just what he wanted. Angela's streamlined approach made it easier for the project to be delivered within the stipulated time period. Rob is happy, and I'm sure he will come back to Angela's firm for projects in the future. So those responsibilities that we saw Angela carry out are ideally the roles and responsibilities for any business analyst out there. Yes, some may vary depending on the company you work for and the project you're working on. Before winding up, let's just summarize the role of a business analyst. So firstly, we learned that a business analyst is a professional who bridges the gap between the IT and the business teams in an organization. They are part of the business operation, and they also work closely with the technology team to improve the quality of the services being delivered. They use data analytics and modern technologies to improve processes, and BAs also deliver data-driven solutions. As seen in Angela's story, she made sure that Rob's requirements were clearly understood and fulfilled. BAs ensured that the client's needs are converted rightly into the final project. Comprehending customer needs and interpreting them rightly holds paramount importance in the life of a business analyst. Angela wouldn't have been able to perform her duties without holding a rich skill set. BAs must know Excel, SQL, and should have BI skills to accomplish all their duties smoothly. Not to forget, a fair amount of programming knowledge is beneficial for business analysts.